Welcome to my channel Learn Digitally. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get notification for upcoming videos. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get notification for upcoming videos. In this video, we will discuss top most 50 general knowledge question and answer for all central and state competitive examination. First question: the first Buddhist council was held in the region of answer Ajatasattu. Question number 2. Lord Buddha was born in answer Lumbini. Next question. Question number 3. The largest grant of villages to temples and Brahmana was given by the ruling dynasty known as answer the Guptas. Question number 4. Adi Granth is a religious book of answer is Sikh. The first president of the Republic of India was answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 6. The French Revolution took place in the year answer 1789. Question number 7. Which metal was first used by the Indus people? Answer silver. Question number 8. Which of the following region did not form the part of Ashoka's empire? Answer Madras. Question number 9. The founder of the first Afghan rule in India was answer Ibrahim Lodi. Question number 10. The Indus Valley houses were built of answer bricks. Question number 11. The 61st National School Athletic Championship started on 29 January 2016 in which of the following state? Kerala. Question number 12. By winning the Australian Open 2016 on 29 January 2016, the pair of Sania Mirza and Martina Hingis has won how many titles in a row? Answer 8. Question number 13. In which state the Akshay Kumar led film Airlift was made tax-free? Answer Uttar Pradesh. Question number 14. A legislative department in the Ministry of Law and Justice on 28 January 2016 constituted an expert committee to review the Specific Relief Act of 1963. Question number 15. Who won the 12th Sub-Junior National Billiards Championship title in the 4th week of January 2016? Duel Day. Question number 16. Which of the following Indians is not named in the 50 world's wealthiest people, which is released by WealthX? Hinduja Brothers. Question number 17. Which of the following company has acquired a global consulting and technology service company KPAC Technologies? Cognizant. Question number 18. Birth anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai altered on which day? Question number 18. Answer is D. January 28. Question number 19. Who was appointed as Lokayukta of Uttar Pradesh on 28 January 2016? Answer is C. Sanjay Mishra. Question number 20. The guitarist and songwriter Paul Kantar, who died on 28 January 2016, was the founder of which psychedelic rock band? Jefferson Airplane. Question number 21. In which language were the Sangam classics written? Tamil. Question number 22. Which one of the following divinity of Rig Veda? Varuna. Question number 23. The Indus Valley civilization flourished during. Answer C. 2500 to 1750 BC. Question number 24. The Indus Valley civilization was discovered in 1921. Question number 25. The main occupation of the people of the Indus Valley civilization was agriculture. Which one of the following Harappan site had a dock? Answer is C. Lothal. Question number 27. Which one of the following contains the Gayatri Mantra? Answer Rig Veda. Question number 28. The extreme form of ahimsa or non-violence is practiced in Buddhism. Question number 29. The Aryans at first settled in Punjab. Question number 30. Rabi crops of the Indus Valley are wheat and barley. Question number 31. The famous temple of Kailasa and out of the rock is at Ellora. Question number 32. The Aryans came to India from. Answer Central Asia. Question number 33. The earliest example of a land grant is provided by an inscription. Answer is C. The Satavahana. Question number 34. Alexander died at Babylon. Question number 35. Everyone knows the Taj Mahal. It was built by the Emperor Shah Jahan. But for whom? Answer is C. Mumtaz Mahal. Question number 36. Who introduced the system of local board or local bodies in India? Answer is B. Lord Ripon. Question number 37. Which of the following Arabian site had a rock? Answer is A. Lothal. Question number 38. The Indus Valley civilization belongs to the. Answer is C. Neolithic age. Question number 39. The family of the Rig Vedic Aryan was patriarchal. The fourth Buddhist council was held where? Answer is D. Kanishka. Question number 41. In the Battle of Mandivas, the English defeated. Answer is B. The French. Question number 42. Indian Navy Act was passed on 1927. Question number 43. The first president of Republic of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 44. The first ruler of Pala dynasty was Gopala. Question number 45. The first to establish a regular trade with India was Portuguese. Question number 46. The king of Kalinga in the Maurya period was Kharavela. Question number 47. Sea route in India was discovered by Vasco da Gama. Question number 48. The Treaty of Seringapatam was between Cornwallis and Tipu Sultan. Question number 49. The Moiran dynasty was overthrown by answer D. Pushyamitra Shunga. Last question, question number 50. Who among the following was not an exponent of Bhakti movement? Answer is Shankaracharya. हम सभी को एक रिक्वेस्ट करते हुए एक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और पास में एक बेल आइकन है उसको दबा दें, तो हम जब वीडियो डालेंगे तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा। वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें वीडियो के लिए। और जो भी न्यू है इस चैनल में, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और पास में जो सब्सक्राइब के बटन के पास में एक घंटी का चिन्ह है उसको दबा लें।